Hello, welcome back. It's Kira, and also gets Kaliel.
Yes.
We're gonna be drawing some rain frogs today, also called what?
Potato fairies.
Potato fairy frogs. So we're gonna be drawing some of those in our sketchbook today. Okay, got it?
Got it.
Got it. All right, let's go. So we got some pictures up here. We're watching some cute videos online of rain frogs, right? And we're gonna just draw some of the poses that we pause on. If my pen works. They can't both run out of ink at the same time. Can they? Oh, there we go. All right. We got there.
Mine kind of looks like it's smirking.
What do you think?
Well, but...
Should we do another of this pose, or should we move on to another pose? Another pose?
Hold on.
Oh, you're not finished? Okay.
Forgot about
That's
the
what I
butt.
want to do a little bit. Well, he doesn't really have a butt in this picture, but he does have a back. I feel like I still don't quite have his eyes right, but that's okay.
neither.
We got more to do. All right, so next, should I hit play? See what else we got? Okay. Okay, we've got another good view, a great butt. These guys have epic butts, don't you think, Kaliel?
Yeah.
Okay, so he's kind of like a weird lump.
I started with the look of a flattened garlic bulb.
Yeah, that's a good description, I think. They've got little butt cheeks.
And it starts like solid butt cheek and then gets later.
They got great little like leg rolls here. And then their little footies come out. All these gigantic fatty leg rolls. And it's just perfect.
Their butts look so dumb that you can't even go wrong with them.
You really can't, it's true. And he has no face in this picture, it's just a butt, right?
Yeah.
I feel like my butt could look a little pudgier, but I don't know. What do you think?
Love it.
Love it?
Yeah.
Let me know when you're ready for the next scene.
Ready?
Okay, this one he's kind of standing in a bowl, a little dish of water. I'll link the video we're using in the description. So, but we're just going to start with his little basin here, and he's kind of a blob. And another blob. And like a weird little hand sticking up. They got like such great little like human hands, you know?
Yeah. One of the hands is blurred up, so I'm just gonna imagine it has a adorable little foot hand.
I think that's fair, for sure.
Where's an eraser? I did the same thing that I did with that Pikachu sculpture I did a while ago, where I forgot to put the body in and just put the tail on the head.
I understand. There you go. There's an eraser for you. Oh, he's got some like little cute little dog markings here. And he kind of has some markings over here. And it really is just, like, these guys are just lumps, basically.
Yeah. Lumps with even more lumps attached to them.
Yeah, that's true. So he's kind of standing in a little dish of water, and that's going to be what my dish of water looks like.
Okay, mine kind of looks like he's in a ballerina dress.
Yeah, tutu? That's okay. You ready to move on to the next one, or are you working on this guy some more?
I'm done.
Okay.
Wait, no, mouth.
Okay. Yeah, he's got a really big frown. Alright, in this picture, he's kind of wedged under a tiny, like, toy table. Or she, I mean, I don't know. I shouldn't be assuming this frog's gender, I guess. They're seriously, like, just the dumbest looking things you can imagine, and that's why I love them.
Mom said she's gonna have them in this exact office one day.
Maybe. It'd be cool, wouldn't it?
Yeah. So he's just sort of this lump with some weird foot leg things coming
Basically,
out.
yeah.
Like, you can't even see his front legs. They're just, like, real dumb.
Just his really cute little butt. And his fat body. And then, like, a table leg here.
He's got kind of a weird long foot at the side.
He does have weird long foots. You ready for the next one?
Yep. In this picture, he's kind of just like
Trying to bury himself.
Like, they just sort of like sink down. And it's very silly.
It's kind of just like a shapeless thing being covered in rocks.
Yeah. With dumb eyes.
Seriously, if you don't understand what we're drawing, go watch the video that I link, because it's going to be important to kind of understand why these guys are so cute and dumb.
Yeah, they're very silly.
Next?
No.
No, not ready yet? Okay.
Okay, now.
Okay. Okay, this one's just kind of chilling. He's got a shape, if you want to call it that. The shape is round.
And he's just got two, like, dumb footies coming out. I like how, like, they have, like, a backwards foot of other frogs. Like, that's basically what their foots look like. That's just how dumb they are. Trust me, you want to see these dumb things.
You do. That's absolutely true.
They're called desert rain frogs.
Or potato fairies, apparently.
Or potato.
I love him.
Dumb.
So
and
dumb. Are you ready for the next one?
Dumb
yeah?
and done.
Yeah, you good?
Okay, we have to draw both of them.
Okay, that's fine. Here we've got more in the rocks. So we're gonna draw these guys in the rocks.
And there's more than one of them.
Yeah, there is.
Sorry, My head is blocking
Well,
the view.
you should sit back further then.
To be honest, they kind of look like they would be Muppets.
They do very much look like that, don't they? That's kind of what I was thinking too.
He's got sort of like a weird dumb eye. The second one, I mean.
Yeah, the second one's a little bit trickier. His shape is a little weird, isn't it?
Yeah.
And he's got like one leg you can almost see above the rocks.
Whereas the second one, it's kind of just like a head.
Yeah. Okay.
Ready.
Ready?
Ready.
Alright, we got a lot of the butt view, but this one's kind of got like a leggy in it, so it's a little different than the other butt.
Yeah. Also, they've really dumb butts.
I think you mean adorable.
No, dumb. Their butts are just dumb. They're just little dumb weird shapes, is what I'd say Korean frog is.
A series of circles.
A series of circles. With adorable butt cheeks. Got kind of like two sort of like weirdish toes on him. Is it front on the pillow? Do you see it? Like right there.
I think that might just be part of his, I think that might just be part of the cushion he's on, but that's okay. Either way. Yeah, this one's on a cushion, so maybe I'll just put a little cushion for this guy to sit on. A very adorable fatty frog needs a cushion, right?
Yeah.
Alright. Next, shall we move on?
Yes. So this guy is kind of like on a wall, like literally climbing up a wall.
It's true, he is.
Trust me, you want to know about these dumb things. You do not want to miss it. You just kind of got like a weird foot hanging down.
Because he's trying to climb.
You sort of got like a tiny butt mark here. I just have to put it in.
Ready for our last one that
Yep.
we can fit on this page? Okay. Alright, last one. It's just a regular sitting guy, right?
One I need to.
Classic sitting guy?
Push.
Whoa, well, you're going to push the whole camera.
Sorry.
How's that? Better? Is that better?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
So he's just sort of a lump with two dumb legs.
Oh, come on, pen. You got one more frog to draw. Don't fail me now. You can do this. I believe in you. So close. Come on. Come on out.
2 minutes later, it's squirting me.
Maybe I should just change my cartridge.
Out.
Right there. Pick me another color that's not purple. Okay. All right. Go ahead. Resume. Got my pen back. See?
And he's just sort of got like a weird lump eye.
They're really just a series of lumps.
They really are.
And that's why I love them.
This guy's doing a big round. Just gonna do a big old dumb frog on this other page here.
You can't really, like, it looks like he's unfinished, but you just can't really see his legs in this at all. So
Yeah.
So he's just a big lump with 2 legs is what he looks like.
Yeah.
So that's that. Are we done with our potato fairy frogs? You drawing a big guy now?
They've got kind of a dumb, mad face.
It's true, a little bit. Okay, so is that?
Yeah, just let me.
That's fine. There you go. This is the guy you wanted to show off?
Yeah.
Okay, very nice. Alright, so here are our finished sketchbook spreads. Maybe. Alright, so yeah, anyway, here's our finished sketchbook spreads of our desert rain frogs, right? Are we going to color these, or are we going to just leave them the way they are? Or don't you know yet?
No idea. But if we do color them, we should probably do it in like a different time of day, and then just smash the video together because
Okay.
my wrist is kind of tired.
Okay, or maybe I'll just take a picture of the finished product and put it in if we do end up coloring them. So yeah, here, that's our finished product. My co-artist is wandering away, so I think we're done here. There she is. Alright, get your milk face out of here. Yeah, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this weird draw with me and my child. This draw with me and my child. Oh god, everything's collapsing. I hope you enjoyed this weird draw with me and also my child. Like I said, the link to the video will be below. You can go draw your own frogs.
No.
She's losing cohesion. Goodbye. No.